and it will be 50, 60, 70. Ultimately, a stage will reach that this amount of potentials, a high voltage, the number of electrons are say 100. Whatever are emitted, that all are drawn to the plate. So that is the saturation state. And this is the nature of diode characteristics, vacuum diode or valves. Okay. But soon it was felt it is difficult. Some difficulties arose in this technology. With disadvantages, the high power is needed, ratio 150 volts or 200 volts of the light or the like is needed. Many batteries are needed. Many chemical sulfuric acids or zinc, copper plates or other chemicals are needed. So, and many batteries are needed. High vacuum to be produced here. Yes, vacuum technology is itself a technological challenge. High vacuum is to be produced so the electrons cannot gets collided by the air molecules. And high vacuum is needed. And bulky arrangement, yes, a system is so many valve, batteries, vacuum tube system, a bulky arrangement. Almost it takes a room for all the systems to work. Okay? And prone to dysfunction in one part of the another. Yes, there are some many connections in man-made connections. You have to mechanically connect things. Yes, you have to put the screw here, there, and there, changing. There are mechanical connections, mechanical operations are there, and they are prone to dysfunction. These are the disadvantages of these arrangements. So, people thought how to get out of these disadvantages. They thought if of, and in 1948, Badin, Shockley, Bratton of Bell Telephone Laboratories, USA, they produced a new type of materials, semiconductors. There is no vacuum needed. You get to obviate the need for vacuum, need for so much batteries. So system, a device or material for conduction is prepared or devised in such a way that conduction is carried out inside the material itself. No external device is necessary. External arrangement or equipments, accessories are necessary. And that was the main idea of, and the idea of semiconductor electronics assured at that time. Okay. Before that, our Sir Jagadish Chandra Basu, lead sulfide, Sir Jagadish Chandra Basu, detectors, electronic detectors are produced or used by our Sir Jagadish Chandra Basu in 1897. At the last half of 19th century, Marconi and other things, they used detectors. They were galena detectors, lead sulfide detectors. They are also materials. But those materials were very restricted or used in a very restricted sense, would be useful in very restricted purpose, some detection of electromagnetic signals. But to produce and control current in meaningful way could not be done. And so ushered the semiconductor technology in 1948.